Hey there! Have you ever wondered how some people always look fabulous, even if they're just wearing a simple outfit? Well, the secret lies in their accessories. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 10 ways to accessorize like a pro and take your outfit to the next level. Firstly, invest in a statement piece like a bold necklace or a pair of earrings. These can completely transform a basic outfit into something much more stylish. Next, consider adding a belt to cinch in your waist and give more shape to your silhouette. Belts also come in different widths, so you can play around with that depending on the look you're going for. Thirdly, don't underestimate the power of a scarf. Scarves add a pop of color or pattern to your outfit, and can be worn in many different ways, around your neck, in your hair, or tied to your bag. Fourth, layering bracelets and watches is a great way to add some sparkle to your wrists. You can mix and match different textures and colors to create a unique look. Fifth, hats are not only practical, but they can also add a touch of sophistication to your outfit. Sun hats, fedoras, and beanies can all make a statement. Sixth, try experimenting with different shoe styles. Shoes can change the whole vibe of your outfit, from sneakers for a casual look to heels for a night out. Seventh, consider adding a brooch to your outfit. Brooches are making a comeback and can add some personality and flair to your ensemble. Eighth, layering necklaces can really make a statement. Try mixing different lengths and styles to create a layered effect. Ninth, play around with different types of bags, from clutches to crossbody bags, depending on the occasion and your outfit. And lastly, don't forget about your nails. A simple manicure can make all the difference in completing your look. Accessorizing can be a lot of fun and really help you express your personal style. Hopefully, these 10 tips have given you some ideas on how to amp up your outfit game. Remember to have fun with it and make it your own. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You won't want to miss my daily videos filled with fashion and beauty tips. Thanks for watching.